Today we learn how to make a 3D drawing for 3D model for this bike oil tank. This is the bike oil tank, and we will follow this 2D drawing. Okay, let's start. Just now click this front plane and click sketch. Now sketch a 3-point arc from this point to this point, this point to this point, and again sketch from this point to right click and select OK. Just delete it. Again sketch a 3-point arc from this point to this, this point to this, and right click and select OK. Just drag it, and again sketch 3-point arc from this point to this point, and just right click and select OK. Again sketch 3-point arc from this point to this point, and just click on this and right click, select OK. Now go to a smart dimension, make it 25 millimeter. Make it 25 millimeter, click enter, and make this 40 millimeter. 40 millimeter, click enter. Yes, and make this 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter, click enter. Yes. Now go to a smart dimension, this distance from this point to this point, just it will make it 27.13. 27.13, click enter. Again just this point to this point, it will be 38.87. 38.87, click enter. Yes, and again from this point to this point, this height will be 18.95. It will be 18.95, click enter. Yes, again this point to this point, it will be distance 27.38. 27.38, and click enter. Yes. Now this point to this point, distance will be 29.77. It will be 29.77, click enter. And this point to this point, height will be 17.57. 17.57, click enter. Yes. Now again right click, select OK. Now sketch a line. Again go to this 3-point arc, sketch 3-point arc, this point to this point, and right click, select OK. Again sketch line from this point to this point, and right click, select OK. And sketch line from this point to this point, and right click, select OK.
Now
go to a smart dimension, a sketch dimension from this point to this point, it will be 44, it will be 45, click enter. Yes, and this will be, it will be 54, 54, click enter. Yes, and this distance will be 12 millimeter. It will be 12 millimeter, click enter. Sorry, it is by default, so it should not change, just delete this and go to this smart dimension, make this radius will be 36 millimeter, 36 millimeter, click enter. Yes, right click and select OK. Now our all dimension is defined, so now I will go to this fillet and just choose this 5 millimeter fillet, click enter. Choose this 5 millimeter and just click OK. Again choose in this point, choose 5 millimeter and click OK. Again choose this 5 millimeter and just click OK. Yes, now again choose this 5 millimeter and just click OK. Yes, now all fillet are selected, just click OK. Yes, now our all dimension is defined, so now I will go to this picture and click extrude boss. Just choose this mid plane and it will be 30 millimeter. We will keep this 30 millimeter and just click OK. Yes. Now go to this shell and choose this 2 millimeter shell, click enter. Just select this space and this space and just show preview and just click OK. Now see, it is make as a shell, so just again go to this shell and just click edit feature. Actually we will choose this space and just click OK. Yes, now see. Now just click this space and click sketch and click convert entity and just sketch a line from this point to this point and right click, select OK and just trim this or this, all trimmed and just choose power trim and click OK. Now again go to this, sorry, just right click, select OK. Now go to this picture and click extrude boss. Make this 0.25 millimeter, click enter and just click OK. Again just go to this space and click sketch and select this convert entity and again sketch line from this point to this point, right click, select OK, and go to this trim and choose power trim and trim this and this outer of this, and just right click, select OK, and go to this feature and click extrude boss. Now see, it will make 0.25 millimeter. Choose merge result and just click OK. Now see, it is made. Yeah, now just go to this DOM and select this space, make it 5 millimeter DOM, make it 5 millimeter, sorry, just I will keep this 10 millimeter, click enter. It will make this 10 millimeter DOM, just click OK. Again I will click this, go to this DOM and just select this space and choose 10 millimeter and just click OK. Yes, now see, it is make DOM. Yeah, now again select, go to this DOM and select this space and make it 10 millimeter and just click OK. Yes, now our tank almost ready. So now I just go to this plane and choose this plane and just click this top plane and just go to this distance, this 70 or just distance is 80 will be big, so just I will keep this distance 75, click enter. Yeah, 75 is better, just click OK. Yeah, now just click on this plane and click sketch, and just I will sketch a circle on this point and just right click and select OK. Sorry, just sketch a circle from this point and click and right click, select OK. Go to a smart dimension, make it 10 millimeter, make it 10 millimeter, click enter. Yes, now see, yes, now go to this feature and click extrude cut, and just it will make this, choose this blind, just we will cut this hole in this the inner side. I think it is a 20 millimeter, it's enough to cut the hole. Just click this OK. Now see, now just go to again this sketch, click on this sketch and click this show, and again go to this extrude boss and choose this sketch and just reverse, click this reverse, just so choose this up to surface, this is our surface, just select this, this is our surface. Yes, now just choose this offset, just offset is 5 millimeter, click enter. Sorry, just choose this direction. Yeah, now see, it's enough surface, so just click OK. Yes. Now just go to this fillet and sketch a fillet. Just click on this and make this 5 millimeters. Click enter. Now see, and just click OK. Sorry, 5 millimeter is so many big, so we should this change. Again go to this fillet and click edit feature. Just I will keep this 2 millimeter. Click enter. Yes, and just click OK. 2 millimeter is better. Yes. Now just click this. Now see, our this is the our oil tank of this bike. If you want to design any bike, you can design according to this system. Just now just click this face and click this appearance and click this part. You can choose any color. There are many color. Just I will choose this or this, anything. Just I choose this and just click OK. And I will choose this. Just click this space and click this appearance. Click this space. Now I will choose this. Just this color or this color, anything. Just I choose this color, this space and this space. Yes, and just click OK. Now see.